Credit score requirements for short-term rental loans. What Texas investors need to know. Jim Kennedy here with Kennedy Mortgage in Texas. If you're thinking about buying a short-term rental, hopefully this will be helpful. Credit score matters more on a short-term rental than it does on a standard investment property. Here's why, and here's what the requirements actually look like. The minimum credit score to get started is 620, but here's the reality. At 620, your options are limited. You're looking at a lower LTV and higher rates. The real unlocking points are at 680 and 720. At 680, more programs become available and your LTV options definitely improve. At 720 or higher, you're in the best position to get maximum leverage and the most competitive and favorable pricing and rates. Here's how credit score and LTV connect on a short-term rental. 720 or higher with a DSCR at or above 1.0, you can get up to an 80% LTV on a purchase. 640 to 679, the maximum LTV drops to 70%. That means more money down. Below 640, options get very limited. You may need to work on your credit profile before applying. Here's the bottom line. On a short-term rental, lenders are already taking more risks than a standard rental. Because short-term income is seasonal and can obviously fluctuate. So they protect themselves by requiring stronger credit profiles compared to long-term rentals. If your score is below 680 right now, it may be worth taking some time to improve it before applying. The difference in credit scores between a 679 and a 680 can be the difference between getting the deal done and not. Jim Kennedy here with Kennedy Mortgage in Texas. Please reach out if you have any questions. 512-553-2111.